Hey, so this is going to be the second video in a series that is following the build for a play stage that I'm making for my kids. So if you haven't already seen the first video, you can. I'm going to put a link to that, and you'll be able to watch that. But just to get you up to speed, in the last video, I went through the basic framing, and in this video, I'm going to be doing the other rough build out work of the stage. And yeah, thank you for coming back and checking out this other video. Those that are new, welcome. And if you like what you see, make sure you comment and subscribe and follow along. Okay, I hope you enjoy. Okay, well, day 2 of the build, we've got the top surface all the way covered up, and hey Avery.
Hey.
The helper is here, ready to go. Right now we're putting in some plywood to separate out these cubbies, and what I'm doing here is, I'm calling it picture framing, but essentially I'm just putting in nails or staples just so the plywood can't get pushed through. Kind of see what I've done here. All along here there's staples in the position so that I can put this one in. Just have to do one-handed. Okay, so there you go. There is the divider for that cubby. We're gonna put them in. They're kind of loosely in place right now, and we're gonna go ahead and attach them all the way down, and then we're gonna put in the back wall of the cubbies. Okay, so we've got the cubby walls in place, and now what we're gonna be working on is putting in a trap door on the top of the stage. Have it drawn out here. Yeah, so have it drawn out there in the corner. It's going to be something the kids can use to pop up or down into that lower area. Trapdoor was cut, and right here when we were framing it earlier, I already framed in some ladder steps down here, so the kids will have a nice easy way to climb out of it. And then we're going to work on reinforcing this hole so it's nice and sturdy for them when they push themselves out. But yeah. So we have the trapdoor working. It took a little doing to get the hinges lined up just right. You see, obviously I've already put the hinges down. The idea is that when I start putting down the finished surface, the wood on top, the final layer, I'm going to bring that wood right up to the hinges. So the hinges, this bump here on top of the hinges will actually be just slightly underneath the surface of the wood, or maybe just flush with it. Anyone looking from the side, they're not going to be able to necessarily know that trapdoor is there. We're not going to have any way to open it from the top. It'll just be something that the kids can come up through the bottom of the stage if they want to work that into their play or something. I have a youngest who really likes monsters, so that'll probably turn into a place where the monster jumps out of the stage and gets people. But we got it framed in with some 2x4s all around the edge, so it supports the weight when people are walking on it. And yeah, I mean it's pretty straightforward. We've got the face of the stage to box in at this point. So we're going to work on getting, this is right there is going to be a door, so we're still going to have to do some work there, but most of these other areas we're going to close up. Obviously this front area is going to be storage, so we don't want to lock that down, but starting with this bay right here and the side there, those are all going to get covered up. So yeah, looks like I'm going to be cutting a lot of OSB now. Put that down, and then we're going to start making it look pretty. So that's where we are. So we got to a stopping point here at the end of day 2 on the build. Just gonna run through what we got done today. We got the cubbies built. We got the all the sheeting put down. So now we can start putting on the finishing layer. We have a trapdoor with hinges that opens and shuts, and we also got this, so now all the kids have a way they can get in and out. And then I guess we still need to close at the back of those cubbies, but yeah. But for the most part, the rough shape is done.